Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to open a radio control airplane. This is a small one, great for beginners. Stay with us, we'll build it and show you how it flies. Alright, let's open this little guy. See what it'll do here, okay? Look at there. There it is right there. Alright. We'll have to cut everything out of it here to get it open, but we'll get it open and we'll start showing you how to use it, okay? Alright, here is your instruction manual. Not real big, but it tells you all about what to do and all. We don't need that right now. We're going to put it together. Let's get it out of here, okay? There's your transmitter right there. Takes batteries, 3 AA batteries. All right. We just need to cut this so we can get it in there and get the plane out. Okay. Bam. Okay, there's the first one off. Got it out of the way. See if we can get this one out of the way now. So we can get the plane out of there. They got it fastened down, I'll say that. Alright. That one out of the way. Guess we're going to have to take both of them out, aren't we? There's that one. Alright, we got the whole thing out of the way now. We can just get the plane out of here. They got it. Oh, see, it's taped down right there. Alright. Well, we didn't have to take all that out, did we? There we go. Right there. There's your plane. Alright, look at that little guy. Has the propellers in the back. Here's your batteries. All right. Little screwdriver. Charging cables. 2 of them. There's 2 batteries. All right. Like the batteries for the plane are rechargeable. There's 3 of them. Look at there. 3 batteries. Look at that. Okay. Extra propellers. There's the landing gear. Where does the landing gear go? Okay. We'll have to get the directions out on how to do that. First off, let's go charge some batteries. What do you say? Put these batteries in right here. All right. There we go. We'll take this over to the PC, plug it in, let it charge. It says 2 hours first time, and you get about probably a 40-minute time on the 3 batteries, I guess. So let's go charge this battery. All right, here we are. We're going to charge our batteries with the USB port. Plug it in. Look at there, a little red light comes on. When that red light goes off, it's ready. Out where to put the landing gear in. There's a little hole right here next to the on-off switch. Slips right in through there. Right there. Yeah, right there. Whoops. So it slips in right there. Just press it in like so. Anyhow, goes right in there. We'll get it in there for you. There we go. Landing gears in. All right, look at that. All right, let's go charge some batteries and we'll get this little guy ready to fly. All right, well, the batteries are charging from a plane. Put the batteries in the transmitter here. It came with a little screwdriver, but this is awful small. I don't know if I'll be able to turn this little guy. I got a little bigger screwdriver here. There we go. Them little bitty screwdrivers are real hard to turn, so. Okay. 3 AA batteries. All right. Remember, the negative is the flat end. The flat end goes to the spring. Same way here. Flat end to the spring. Flat end to the spring right there. Put the back on. Screw it back down. There it is. Now you've got a on-off switch right here. Trim control. This is power, left and right. I have to find out what these little switches are here on top. Let's see what we got here. Transmitter. It says you can take off from the ground. That sounds pretty good. Trim, low battery. All right. Looking at it, this is speed control. You've got like 2 or 3 speeds here. You press it, it changes speeds. This and turns the lights on in the plane, okay? As soon as we get our battery charged for the airplane, we'll go out and fly it. Okay, we've got one of the batteries charged up now. It's in the battery compartment right there. So let's see if we can pair up the transmitter and the plane, okay? Turn your switch on the plane right there. See the lights flashing? They're flashing till it pairs up. Turn your transmitter on. All the way up, all the way down. And there it is, they're paired up. Now if we give it, see how it goes? All right, works pretty good. Remember, on this side is your speed control. Tap it once, it goes to 2. Tap it once, it goes back to 1. You want to turn your lights off, push the 1 on this side. Lights are off. Push it, they come back on. All right, we're ready to go outside and do a little flying with this guy. So let's shut it off till we get outside in a non-windy weather. We'll do a little flying, okay? Here it is. All right, we're out here in the grass now. We'll give it a little launch to see what it does. There it goes. It's flying pretty good, but the wind's still giving it a hard time, man. Guess we're going to have to wait for a non-windy day. All right, we're in kind of a little bit of a wind here, so let's see what we can do. Okay, it takes off from the ground pretty good, doesn't it? That wind's giving it a hard time, man. Oh no. Oh no! Got caught in the drain on top of that building. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.